She married into royalty. Now she wears the crown. But is Camilla trying to freeze out Catherine from the royal spotlight? Hi, everybody. So last night, ChatGPT and I had a deep royal gossip session. Before I get into that, please click the like button and subscribe and hit that bell. Now, let's spill some tea. So we, ChatGPT and me, were talking about why Catherine didn't show up at the Royal Ascot, and somehow we ended up talking about the Windsors. You know, that outrageous parody show? And I said, honestly, Harry Enfield's version of Camilla might be a little too close to the bone. Because if you've ever seen it, I don't know if it's called, it might be in America called The Royal Family, but I know in England it was called The Windsors, and some of the characters were just, yeah, outrageous. So I was telling ChatGPT that I thought Camilla's version, their version of Camilla might be a little bit too close. And, the gin, the scheming, the icy stare. It's funny, but the energy behind it might not be that far off, really. And, ChatGPT agreed with me. So, really, it got me thinking, is there a royal Cold War happening behind the scenes? And we already know the one with Harry and Meghan, of course. But I'm asking about a royal one. And this reading is allegedly, of course. So, let's spill some tea. Let's get our Norse Goddess Rune Oracle, one of my favorite ones. And let's just ask some questions. First of all, let's go ahead and raise the vibrations here. And I have my incense going and some candles lit. And we are protected. I'm going to also spray my violet flame, and I'm just using this until I use it up because I have made my own, and I'm going to share the recipe on my Alchemist Society memberships. So if you're interested in that, oh, that smells lovely. But yeah, we're going to learn to make our own mystical sprays. So, let me get my questions here. Hang on just a second. So, yes, let's spill some tea here. And I'm going to ask the rune oracle about Camilla. Is she trying to freeze Catherine out, like intimidation? We don't know. But like I said, in the Windsors, she was very intimidating and wicked. And there is that rumor that she was spilling some tea herself and leaking stories to the media. So anyway, let's just see what we can find out here. Alrighty. So Catherine didn't show up at Royal Ascot, and let's just see if there's a rift between her and Camilla. So is Camilla trying to freeze her out? Let's just ask here. Okay. Othela, inheritance, family, and home. Now, Othela, that is upright. And you know what? I think that she is worried about something happening, like, to the king, and what is going to happen to her. Her home, her inheritance, and even her family, because I'm sure that some of her family, this is allegedly and for entertainment only, that some of her family benefit from her being the queen. That's what I think. And Frigg, it was also, this is goddess Frigg, and that was Odin, which is the All-Father. That was his wife. So, okay. We're gonna... So, is Camilla trying to freeze Catherine out? I think she is kind of trying to make sure that her place... that she has her place when something happens to King Charles. I was going to say Prince Charles. Okay. I was going to see if you can see that better or not. Maybe not. How about that? Well, anyway, you can see that, right? So, is Prince William caught in the middle? Let's ask if Prince William is caught in the middle of this. Put that here. You can see those cards, right? So, is Prince William caught in the middle? Is Prince William caught in the middle? Laguz, emotion, intuition, and flow. Now, I think this is an emotional thing for him to see Catherine upset, because I think she is upset. And this is a lot of emotion, this like ebb and flow. But as you can see, he is like, Laguz is called lake. And it has to do with the ebb and flow of the water. And I think that every once in a while this comes up, the ebb and flow, you know. Oh, here it comes again, another wave. Goodness, I don't know. Is Camilla jealous of Catherine's popularity and her future role? Is Camilla jealous of Catherine, her popularity, and her future role, please? That is, oh my goodness. So you have Laguz upright, right? Now you have Laguz Merkstave, and that is, you see that? That's Saga. Well, the one in the water now, it's the same, but it's the dark side of it. It's the shadow side of, that's what Merkstave means. It means like reversed. And as you can see, wow, that's I mean, these are not in order at all. So that's overwhelm, loss of control, and confusion. And you also feel like you're drowning, you're in a, your ship is going to wreck in the stormy seas, the stormy. Is Camilla jealous of Catherine? I do think, because loss of control, and she is going to, that's what's going to happen when something happens to the king. She's not going to be in control anymore. And I think she is. I think she is. 2 in a row here. That Laguz and Laguz Merkstave, or shadow side. And this is emotions. And this is loss of control, overwhelm. So, was Catherine asked not to attend Royal Ascot, please? Can you tell us if Catherine was asked not to attend Royal Ascot, please. Okay, and that's Ewa's, and that is horse, partnership, momentum, and transportation. Well, it was in reverse, and I don't, like, okay, I read the ones where it says Merkstave. That would be the reverse of, the reverse of Lagu's, right? But this did come out, so I do keep that in mind. I keep it in mind. And partnership, momentum, and transportation in reverse. He was his horse, and it's also like riding it, like transportation, and going forward. But also, she might have been partnership. Was Catherine asked not to attend? And that did come out in reverse, but she could have been. But as far as momentum, I think she might have taken a break too, and maybe she didn't want, and look at that horse, and that was Royal Ascot. Because Camilla's people are the horsey ones, right? She's all into horses. Her people are into horses, family, and all that. And maybe Catherine just doesn't want to, because sometimes I wonder if she just wants to be seen as doing something good as far as charitable work. And this is, the Royal Ascot is kind of just showing off. That's what I think. But, I mean, I could be wrong. So is, I don't think she was asked. I think that she just didn't want to because of Camilla's people. That's what I'm thinking. So, is Camilla leaking stories? We have asked this before, but let's ask again, is Camilla leaking stories? I mean, because, Neil Sean, he even flat out says, I know you know where this came from, etc. So which usually, because Tom Parker Bowles is his friend. So is Camilla leaking stories? Is Camilla leaking stories? Well, that's Dagaz in reverse. But Dagaz is awakening, breakthrough, and balance. And that was in reverse. And so basically it's like a transformation, because it's like a butterfly transforming, a caterpillar transforming into a butterfly, and awakening, breakthrough, balance. But it did come out in reverse, so it could be a little bit of gossip. And so what? It gets out into the media accidentally. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to close this now. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God, Goddess, Archangel Michael, for protection. Thank you all. Put this in. Okay. Now let's just run this through again. I'm using my planetary pendulum, and we are going to check this out. Okay, let me scoot you up a little closer. Scoot you up. Let's see if I can. Oh dear. I had to go to Nottingham today and it was like, it was so hot. So vertical is yes, horizontal is no. And let me get my questions again here. So we're going to use the planetary pendulum here, and we are going to ask pendulum, please tell us, I don't know the name, I'm just like, this is my new pendulum, one of my new ones. So, okay, please tell us, is Camilla, Queen Camilla, leaking stories about Catherine? Is she leaking stories about Catherine? Is it oh my goodness. Look at that. Going to yes. You know what? I did say she's just like that woman, the actress on the Windsors. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is allegedly and for entertainment only. Guys, remember to hit the like button and help this video go out through YouTube. I'm just reminding you. So, has Camilla used her inner circle to quietly undermine Catherine? And I was kind of wondering, does she sort of narcissistically or kind of treat Catherine not very nice in front of people? That's what I was going to ask. Let's ask that. Is Camilla nice to Catherine, please? Is Camilla nice to Catherine? What? Oh my goodness. No. Wow. Oh my gosh. Yeah, has she used her inner circle to undermine Catherine? Has she used her inner circle to undermine Catherine, please? Does she try to undermine Catherine? Look at that. I'm holding my hand as still as I can, my arm. Wow. Okay, guys. Did Catherine choose not to attend Royal Ascot? Was she exhausted, or why? Why did she? Is that why, you know, that people said she was trying to balance things out? Is that true? Is that true? Look at that. Going to know. Okay, thank you. And will the truth about this rift between her and between Camilla and Catherine ever come to light? Will the truth about a rift between Catherine and Camilla ever come to light? It will. Look at that. Maybe somebody will write a book or something. So what do you guys think? Put your comments below and click the like button and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you all. I appreciate you so much, and I appreciate all of my members. Thank you for supporting me and my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you on the next one.